What's up, guys? I'm here in Lexington, Kentucky with the Fuji X-S10, and I'm trying to take some pictures out the window with this crazy thing I got on Amazon. This is pretty cool. It's supposed to take the haze out of windows, but the thing is, there's really nothing interesting to take pictures of here. There's this one guy that I kind of know over here, this homeless guy. I've taken pictures of him before. He's looking into a plastic bag right now. I guess I could try some of him. No one else is out here because it's really cold outside. So here's some without the filter, and then we're gonna pull this off of my 18 to 55. Stick it on this one. This one's a big one. It's a big boy. All right, and we'll try some with it. So see what the difference. Yeah. Okay. All right. So again, let's take one of this trash can away from the window and then pressed up against the window. Let's see if that makes any difference at all. So I think a lot of the haze from in here is actually caused because the windows are dirty. So I'm thinking, I don't know how much it's really gonna do, because I think my windows are just dirty. Also, like, these vintage lenses like this, they kind of have haze to them already with the dust and fungus and everything that's going on inside there. So let's see. One thing I don't need right now, I've got my shutter speed up way too high. Let's just go auto. Let's go auto on this. Let the camera figure it out. So I think it helps a little bit if the conditions are right. So like if you were looking into a lizard cage at the zoo, I think it would help. Or if you are downtown in a big city, New York City, and you're looking out the window and you're shooting out the window and the window is really clean. As far as like being in the car and shooting through the car window, it's hard to get a lot of interesting stuff here shooting through the car window. Okay, we'll try one without it here. Let's see, auto is kind of weird for in the car here, and looking towards the sun with the buildings are going to be kind of silhouetted using auto on this. Let's get this guy with the baby. Okay, so I guess I could just use exposure compensation to make it where the buildings are not a complete silhouette. Yeah, I really wish there was somewhere interesting downtown in Lexington right now, but it's really cold out and nobody's outside. Let's see. Maybe we could drive around just a little bit. Let you guys see the city a little bit. A little bit. Ooh, there's a car. You guys might like that. A little bit. A little bit. I'm gonna put this on. just in case anything terrible happens. Let's see. I don't want to drive holding this thing. That could be dangerous. So we're gonna look over here at this painting. I kind of want to see what it looks like with this pressed against the window. And then how that compares to the window actually being down. Oh, there's some definite haze and discoloration just from the window. The window makes everything kind of green, and you can kind of even see that with your eye, that without the window there, it is, you know, more magenta, and then with the window, there's kind of like a green haze to it. So, yeah, the window's kind of dirty. I'm just gonna drive around and try to take some more pictures. Try to find another place to park. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.